Well, welcome back for the final session in the National Academies workshop on drug research and development for adults across the older age span. During this session, we'll be getting the perspective of senior leadership representatives from FDA, NIA, and private industry as they reflect on the workshop presentations that we've had the opportunity to enjoy yesterday and today, as well as bring in their own experiences that derive from their current and previous professional portfolios. I've asked each panelist to take about 10 minutes to provide their perspectives, which will be followed by a panel discussion. We'll first hear from Dr. Marie Bernard, and then Dr. Robert Califf, and then followed by Dr. Amy Abernethy. Note that this order may be different than the order that's shown on your agenda. To get us started, I'd like to introduce Dr. Marie Bernard. She serves as Deputy Director of the National Institute on Aging at NIH. She is NIA's Senior Geriatrician and serves as the Principal Advisor to the NIA Director and assists in overseeing approximately $3.1 billion with a B in aging research annually. Among her many responsibilities and important to our discussion today, she co-chairs the NIH Inclusion Governance Committee, which oversees inclusion in clinical research by sex, gender, race, ethnicity, and age, inclusive of pediatric and older adult subjects. Dr. Bernard, would you start our presentations?